In today's fast-paced world, collaborative learning has become more important than ever. With the use of interactive panels, students and teachers are now able to work together in a more engaging and efficient way. These innovative tools have transformed the way we learn, allowing for better communication, increased creativity, and a more immersive educational experience. Interactive panels are not just limited to the classroom. They can be used in a variety of settings, such as corporate training sessions, workshops, and brainstorming sessions. These versatile tools can help improve productivity and foster a sense of teamwork among participants, making them a valuable addition to any learning environment. One of the key benefits of using interactive panels is the ability to share and edit content in real time. This feature enables all participants to contribute their ideas and thoughts, making for a more dynamic and collaborative learning experience. Gone are the days of passive learning. With interactive panels, everyone has the opportunity to actively participate and contribute to the discussion. Another advantage of interactive panels is their ability to accommodate various learning styles. Whether you're a visual learner who prefers images and diagrams, or an auditory learner who benefits from listening to explanations, interactive panels can cater to your individual needs. This versatility ensures that everyone can fully engage with the content, regardless of their preferred learning style. In conclusion, interactive panels have revolutionized the way we approach collaborative learning. By providing a platform for real-time communication, accommodating diverse learning styles, and fostering a sense of teamwork, these innovative tools have made learning more engaging, efficient, and enjoyable for everyone involved. So, whether you're a teacher looking to enhance your lessons or a business professional seeking to improve productivity, consider incorporating interactive panels into your learning environment.